Alright, let's go film some crazy stuff. What's this? Alright, yo, let's go. I'm recording now. Yo, chill. There's a hole there. Huh? What do you think? Oh, I have a great idea. Oh my God. I'm gonna run you over. So if you're gonna tighten this. What?
I think I'm filming now. I think you want to film that entire time, not gonna lie.
What do you mean? I wasn't.
filming that entire time.
I wasn't.
I want to stop filming real quick.
I'm actually wanna film this. We're gonna have some fun. I don't want to ruin my skimboard, but I can try it. I'll do it once, but that's it. Dude, this bike is cooked. We cooked. What? Donald Trump is doing the Macarena.
No, it did a Trump dance.
I don't know what that is.
He did it there.
All right, we got Trump, we got Flashbang, I'm Curly Fries, and I don't know what he is. Yo, Flashbang, show us why you're called Flashbang. Donald Trump, I mean, you can kind of tell.
Hey, that's it.
Hold on. Dang, no, we. Oh, there's a hole there. Hi. I got a great idea. My handle grip just came off. Oh, yo. Oh, Austin, I know your nickname. You're Caveman.
No.
From Holes.
What?
From Holes, you're Caveman. You not know the movie Holes?
I'm trying to remember what it is. I haven't seen it.
Comment on this video and call him the worst man ever. He doesn't know the movie Holes. He doesn't.
I haven't seen it yet.
Yo, chill.
And he'll try. I'll try. I'm probably just gonna hit it by the throw you in there, boy.
Okay. Oh, that was the grass's fault. I gotta do it where the grass isn't right there. What?
Where the grass is green.
So I listened to Alex G for 10 hours last night.
You did.
I feel the music now. I feel the music. Woo! I think I just hit the wall. I think I just hit a bush, I think.
It's okay.
Hey, you try. Yo, pool people cleaning are still there. They just left. I seen them get there like 5 hours ago, bro.
Same.
I seen them get there at like
They
11.
drove back. They drove back.
Why? What happened?
Probably because it just rained. They probably drove back.
We gotta blur out the license plate. Try it. Look, pro tip. Look, it's easiest if you just go like launch the board here and just go through right there.
Fumble.
Bro said I'm a fumble. I'm a fumble. Bro, what if we get the buggy board? Damn, he fumbled.
My turn.
Damn.
have you wiped out ever.
Bro, I got ants in my shoe.
Oh, I really should. Oh my gosh. Get this on video. I wanna
What?
see this. Really?
Oh. He's about to die, bro. Flashbang.
Here, yo. I'll
Watch flashbang. Flashbang is going to wipe out pretty
try right
bad.
here. Just run and.
Yeah, try from that mailbox. What was that? Austin, you giving it a try?
I'm gonna eat crap.
Okay, I'll do it again then. This is fun though.
I have.
Look, this is just, it's just fun doing this.
What's this here?
It's hard to get going whenever you're in this deep of water. Trust, Han. Let's try the big, I'm gonna try the big puddle real quick. Cause it's really hard to, this dude. All right, we're gonna try the big puddle. Hopefully I don't scratch the board. Well, I mean, kinda doesn't matter. So, hey, let's do it anyways. Hey, if we eat crap in this puddle, we're cooked.
Yeah.
Straight to concrete. Oh, look for that perfect level of water. He shot me. Woo! Dude, I'm actually kind of scared to do this. What if I fall backwards?
What if you fall forward and break the cam?
Break the what?
The cam.
I wouldn't let that happen.
Oh my.
I don't know. It's
Man, man. You're here. Why are you playing with River? I got a man, but that's what happened. Why are you playing with River?
yeah, I gotta stop before I go too far there. So basically, if I try it here, I could go farther. So I'm gonna try it there. Dude, this GoPro's hurting my nose.
This puddle's ever gone.
It was bigger a minute ago.
Yeah. This way. No. This side is tail right there.
I'm gonna try and do it. Should I try a 360? I'm sorry, but you're cooked. I'm gonna take your bike and go through it really fast real quick. No, EJ's. I'm gonna try and what? I'm a hydroplane. Watch me hydroplane. Dude, this bike tires are so flat. How does he ride this thing? Yo, I think I hydroplaned. Oh, look at the mailbox. I juke. Whew. You gotta catch your bike, bro. Catch it. Catch it. Ah, you didn't catch it.
You turned it
All right,
off.
whatever.
Okay, can you restart the recording?
Yeah, but everything gets saved in my mom's phone. Yeah, I can feel it scraping. Hold on, we're actually cooking my board. Oh, it's cooked.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, that's new. That's new. All these whiter scratches are new. My board cooked. There is no car, bro. No, it's not. That car's been sitting there forever.
My bike versus EJ's bike. Why are your handlebars so small?
That ditch looks fun. I'm gonna try it once. Watch me fail. Huh?
You have to fall and make it look real.
I never fell though.
You have to make it look like you fell.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna fall in these weeds right here. Ah, I think I fell. Oh, there we go. I got across the road.